Yo, what's good everybody? And today I'm going to continue the scratch game on Blackit because I didn't have any other video ideas. Basically it's going to continue like part one. Thanks for the reminder, Green Astronaut. Anyways, I got nothing else to say. This is just the intro, so there's really not much to say. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing I did is... Alright guys, we are back with our minigame. And I fixed the problem, guys. Yes, I fixed the health problem. Apparently I was right, the problem was the ordering of the customs, which is stupid. Well, now that we got that sorted out, we're just going to continue our game. Let me see if I can change some stuff. Nothing much to change here, so we can just do so this is how the game looks so far. It is very simple. You just gotta catch fruits and get a high score, maintaining your health, of course. So far we're doing great. Yes guys, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh my god, bro.
But here's the problem. Sometimes fruits don't get delayed and they fall too fast. I'm not sure guys. I don't know if I can change that or not. We're gonna do the moving background. Now I'm gonna do a background as a separate sprite, so you know it moves as when it's part of the background, the actual background. So let me make the sky like this color. Now let's create the background. It's going to take me a lot of work to do this. Is my first time I'm going to make my own background for myself and not stealing images from Google. I mean, I technically don't steal them, I just give the people credit. I'm going to try all my best to create my own background, and I'll be back when I'm done, guys. Okay guys, it's going to take a while to edit, so while I'm doing this I'm going to explain what I'm going to do for the rest of the uploads. So as you can tell, I take really long to upload a single video. That's probably because I edit and my edits take long. So what I'm going to do to keep my channel alive again is to post Q&A Fridays. Basically I post a post where you ask questions. You can look at that in post section in my channel, and you can ask any questions and I will gladly answer them in a YouTube short, so that way we can keep our channel more alive. I will also try to make live streams if I can to get more subscribers. All I need is subscribers, because guys, our goal for this year is to get 1k subscribers, at least 1k. So let's make that happen. Please share this video to your friends, and yeah guys, please subscribe so that I can get 1k subscribers. And if I get 1k subscribers, I get partner in Piclet, and if I get partner I get a code, and if I get a code you can just support me, and if you can support me I can get coins more faster. Because my goal of Piclet so far is to get the Sun sub and the Phantom Kraken. The Phantom Kraken being the biggest goal, because it's rarer out of all those three. So please guys, make sure to support me. Also, I will make something really interesting. I will make a geometry dash on Scratch about Bluekit, of course. Yes, everything about this channel is Bluekit, and the icons will be Bluetubers, or people who had supported me a lot. So if you want to be in the game, make sure to subscribe and share this video and comment so that I know. Please and thank you guys. Anyways, moving to the video. Alright guys, we're done with our background, so now we can finally use this for our moving background. We're gonna do the wing this quick. Forever, go to back layer, set ghost effect to 7. Actually, now let's change it to 6. And guys, pay attention. We're gonna do a plus 90 on the left side times the 2 on the right side. We're gonna do apps and change it to scene. Drag the timer variable another times. Timer times 100. And now if we test it, oh wow, look at the moving background. Oh, that's how you can make backgrounds move like that, or even anything. Let me change it to 40. Actually, that's too transparent. Holy, that looks so much better. Oh wow guys, I can't believe we made it this far. Look at our game, bro. This is how we look like without the ghosting, but it kind of looks weird, so I'm just gonna keep it 30 actually. Oh, that is so sick guys, and we're already almost done. Unfortunately guys, that's going to wrap it up for today, not the video, because I didn't have enough time. Can you believe it? It's already going to be like day 4. I think it was day 4, and I'm only able to do a few stuff. Holy tiny. goes fast. Anyway, see you in the next day. Alright guys, so we have a problem here. Our video is going to be a little short because we're almost finished. And if I do the final details, we're basically done with the game, which is not cool because we still have another day to get rid of. Here's what we're gonna do. That wasn't supposed to take that long. So this is what we're gonna do. So we got our... Bro! So this is our player, aka the basket. So far you can only move this way and that way, which makes like falling fruits kind of hard to like move. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to add 3 difficulties. We got easy, normal, and hard. So easy, I'm going to make sure that the player moves up and down. The fruits fall a little more slower so that players can catch the fruits more faster. Normal, the same thing, but we will remove these arrows. No. I actually meant we need to remove these 2 arrows and keep these 2 because it's going to move up sideways. And hard, the same thing as normal, but the fruits are going to fall a little bit faster. So what do we think, guys? Should we do it? Also, I want to make a little thing where the player can change the color of the player. Should we go for it? Alright guys, we are going to do it. It can't be that hard, can it? It's just a quick preview of what we have done so far. Basically kind of classic, but I'm going to change that in a second. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine so far, kind of uncontrollably. Holy bro, holy. Wait, what the? Anyway, so now, before we continue, I forgot to add the most important part. I need to first hide HD, and I'm going to work on the numbers. So instead of this variable, we're going to use a different set of numbers here, which I'm going to use ShiftClickLearn's tutorial to do this. So I'm gonna be right back.
5 minutes later.
Oh my god, it looks so much better. Yo, oh my days, bro. Bro, actually, let me tell something. What if I do change color by 4? Yo, that's actually a sick effect, yo. Oh, that's cool. That is cool, bro. Does it still work if I do this and that? Yo, it still works. You know what that means, chat? We can do wait until or this, that, if score on both sides 100 or greater than 100. If this happens, actually, that's better. If this happens, then it goes rainbow, which is a cool effect when that's going to be playing red. Guys, it's time to finally add the name menu. So we're going to make this menu. Now if we actually go to the player, we can finally, instead of this, we can use a when I receive dark instead of the basic green flag. In every single one of the sprites, we gotta do this. We only have this beautiful background we can use for the main menu. So we're going to make the title of this game, which I'm not sure what to name it yet. We can go ahead and name this game
5 minutes later.
I'm sorry, I just don't know what to name my game. Fruit Frenzy. Nah, Basket Bloom. I will go with this one now. Let's go ahead and name this over here. Now we can actually go to, I use it all the time, mainly for titles, other fonts. Okay, so we need a good font. Nah, bro, what is that? What about this? Bro, that's the same thing, bro. Give me a unique one. Give me a good, unique font. Actually, what am I doing? What about this one? Bruh, somewhat better, but I need a more unique.
5 minutes later.
Alright, as you can see, that's up done finishing the logo. Holy, this took that long to build. It forced me to make a PNG actually instead of a SVG. But this is how a logo would kind of look like in the game. So now let's actually get to building our game. But first, let me show you this. So what I tried to do is add transparent shadows, but it didn't work for some. Anyways, let's start our project. We're going to create a star button. Let's go to our asset sprites, and let's get to build our buttons. So first, we need a simple design. Now here's what we're gonna do. We're going to make a shape like this on both sides. Then make a curve like this and like that. There we go. Now let's make it one color, red. Actually, green. We're going to create the shadow line, fill that in, add a shiny part, and now we got our button. Now we need to make a second button. Now we got our second, but now we need to make a red button. Now we're going to do the same thing, so be right back when I'm done finishing with all the buttons. Okay, as you can see guys, I finally have done the buttons and they're ready to go for me to code. So here we go. When green flag click, repeat 2 times. Wait for myself. Let's make a new variable, clone ID. For this sprite only, set change. Oh, this is how it's supposed to look like. So now we're going to do a when I start the clone ID equals to 1 and drag the go-to. Copy this code from the player, and look at that guys. Would you look at that? So far it looks so great. We need to make it slightly bigger.
5 minutes later.
So now that we've had the title, we're going to set up our buttons. Switch custom to start button. I'm gonna position it. So go here, forever, if then, touch a mouse pointer, set size to divided by. I just tried to copy the code as it was. It might be wrong. I don't know. I'm not sure, guys. I think it was something like this. I'm pretty sure it was something like this. Now we're gonna do an if, mouse down. Now we're kinda gonna do the same thing with the settings button, except the position and the custom, of course. Everything else is going to be the same. And it should be good. Oh, what the? Where did my buttons go? There we go. See, I knew it. Alright, so now that we got our game, now we're gonna make the buttons work so that when we click on them, they do a specific function, if you know what I mean. So first, let me change the title thing because it's going too fast. See, would you look at that? There's kind of a problem here that I may not be able to fix, but I don't know. I don't know, guys. I just did way too much. Broadcast this one. When I receive start, hide, delete this clone. So basically, it will delete everything and the game will start. Wow, there we go. It was that easy. Now we need to do the same for the settings button, which is going to be a little bit complicated, so yeah guys. So now instead of stop all, we can start a new broadcast, which is menu. Basically, when I receive main menu, stop other scripts from this sprite and hide. So now we're gonna copy that to every single thing. Okay, so I'm back. And now we can change the when green flag click for a broadcast menu, and we can broadcast that. So now if we test it, okay, now we're gonna lose on purpose. Okay, we're just gonna play a little bit, and we went back to the menu and everything works the same. Yo, that is awesome. Now I have to work on the flipping settings button, which is kinda complicated to be honest.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, so I'm still building my game here. Alright. And unfortunately my file corrupted again. Yes guys, it stopped right there for some reason. But I will make part 3, maybe not short because we're only missing a few things. because there's this one bug that you couldn't see that was unfixable, but I will fix it. Also, guys, I'm starting a Q&A Friday, so make sure to cast your comments on the post. Link is on the description. And a goal for getting the 3 pickles I included in the video. Yeah, that was kind of old. It took me this long to make this video, so for the list, I already got the sun. Let's go. Now we're missing the sub, which is easier than the sun. So I don't know why I paid for the sun. And the Kraken, which is harder than the sun and the sub. So I might try to get those. Right, for one of these videos, I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers. And we're kinda close. I don't know if I should say kinda close. We're not even close, guys. Also, I forgot to mention, I I might not post a lot in this channel, which I really don't, because I have another channel to take care of, which is XPfamily. If you want to see the content of it, link is in the description. It's completely different. Nothing about looking, nothing about black, and nothing about all of those. It's just a completely different channel. But anyways, guys, see ya in Q&A Friday, guys. I'm going to post a short about it. Please share this with your friends so that they can comment. I'm trying to get as many questions as possible. Probably not as many because it's going to get short. I don't want to make it a full video. So see you guys in the next video.